Just thinking it's funny how, well, not funny, but meaningful, the thing George said about the heart, because the very first night I wrote about my character and how her heart falls out of her chest onto the ground, and her grandfather comes and who died when she was a child, and comes and patches her back up so she can continue on to this next phase in her life. And this book is helping me move through that next phase in my life and live through all these experiences I've experienced already, but live through it in a way that is cathartic and patching up my own heart in a lot of ways. So I just want to thank you so much for this because it's been incredible.